Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can sign in your Xiaomi account in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, click on Xiaomi account. Here you have to enter your phone number or your email address. So let's start. First enter phone number and create your password. And friends, you can also sign in with the Google to create an account. First click on sign in with Google and select the Gmail ID. You can see create a new account, and first you have to agree and terms and condition. Then you have to create a new Xiaomi account and click on create a new Xiaomi account. And friends, you can see this, the account is created. You can see this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.